I think the kind of Wales that I would like to live in is one where we have a good society where we all feel valued.
I'd like to live in a Wales where everyone feels equal to each other and able to talk to each other with respect and fairness.
It has to be diverse, equitable and inclusive.
I want to live in a Wales where people can aspire to their goals and reach accomplishments with the maximum potential.
The Independent Commission for the Constitutional Future of Wales was set up to think about how Wales is governed and consider options for change. 11 people with different backgrounds, different experiences, different politics and knowledge have joined together with the best interests of Wales as our common ground. We heard from Welsh citizens. We engaged thousands from our grassroots communities in this national conversation. We did it through surveys, through community activities, through roadshows, and through our digital platform. We've listened to those voices and set to work looking at ways to strengthen the democratic future of Wales. In our interim report that we published last year, we set out 3 alternative constitutional routes for how Wales could be run to improve the lives of the people of Wales. We continued the conversation in every part of the country, talking to people wherever they are, involving everyone in shaping Wales's future. We've heard evidence and grappled with critical questions about the way Wales is governed, about the health of our democracy, and how to reach citizens from all parts of our country. Now, we hope that everyone will use the final report to raise their voices and help shape how Wales is governed in future. We've asked Wales the questions, and Wales has answered. This is Wales's national conversation.